Here we have thruster 2 under development, articulated, 2 bogies, and the battery goes in this center section. It's going to have 2 batteries, one there and one up here. Just did a speed run, hand push, did a complete lap of the HME Galston Railway and a bit more on a hand push. If I just tip it up, you can see the underside. Using Piko, P-I-K-O wheel sets, 90mm wheelbase, 15mm gap, and it so happens that with the 15mm gap, each bogie can rotate right past in there. There's the gap. Each wheel spins independently of the other. It's not a common axle. They're not cheap wheels. They're actually used on G-scale trains that want pickup, electrical pickup from the rails, that might want lights inside the cabin or inside the passenger car. That's why they got little vertical bits. I don't know if you can see them down there. Little vertical bits down there that pick up the power. So it's going to have, a bit like thruster 1, it's going to have 2 70mm EDFs, one here, one down there. They're going to be recessed down. This top plywood deck here is going to be trimmed such that when it goes round a corner on sharp points, it doesn't interfere with the deck won't interfere with the EDF. And I'll have a pretty substantial bolt here, maybe a washer underneath, such that the plywood deck isn't hitting that bit. So it's, yeah. So as you can see from the video, it goes quite fast. 2 going fat out. Okay, I've had to offset the camera because it's got a little bolt thing there holding the top deck onto the middle of the bogie. And as soon as I launch it down the rails, I'll aim the camera around. It should stick with it anyway. Let's see how we go. Yeah, it's not going as fast. I was just turned the whole bogie around the other way because it has been running. It has been running good. It has been going further, so maybe that bogie, I did accidentally turn it around. That went about as far as a few times ago. So that bogie might have been